Dear ladies and gentlemen, my video guide today will help you to get rid of the scary alerts that are coming from the website Secureantivirus.info. Secureantivirus.info. It's a deceptive and very scary website that says that your security subscription has expired and that you need to renew this subscription immediately. The website Secureantivirus.info may also display some other frustrating messages encouraging you into downloading certain software or clicking renew subscription button. However, after people mistakenly do that, they may be forwarded to some other deceptive and malicious sites that may promote potentially unwanted programs, not even the ones that are initially advertised. So there is something really misleading, scary, and obviously malicious in all these pop-ups. These alerts by Secureantivirus.info may be the result of some adware-type program to be enabled in your computer, or they may be the trace of some unwanted browser extension. What you should do is to first check the control panel of your computer and uninstall the programs that are not familiar to you. So if you find anything suspicious, remove it immediately. Second thing you could do is to check your browser extensions. Go to the menu, click on More Tools, then Extensions, and then disable and delete any third-party extensions that also could cause such unwanted pop-up windows. Finally, I recommend you to research your system with a Combo Cleaner antivirus. It will help you to detect and fix other problems with your browser. For instance, Combo Cleaner will help you very well to remove these unwanted advertisements in the right bottom part of the screen. So, download Combo Cleaner through the official site combocleaner.com. Download the software, install the application, and start investigating your system with its help to fix it automatically. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner antivirus, you need to select your preferred scan type. However, the trial version only gives you the quick scan option, even though the premium one has got full scan and custom scan too. Click on the Start Scan button to begin the detailed investigation of your computer. The quick scan will be in progress and it may take a while until the quick scan is completed. While the quick scan is taking place, you may experiment with certain settings of Combo Cleaner antivirus. It has got the powerful anti-ransomware feature. You may select a special folder where you may have all your files stored in a safe place and protect it against all possible ransomware attacks. So you may add this folder and keep your files protected in it. However, this feature again is the part of the premium version only. After the scanning is completed, the program will give you the detailed summary of all threats on your computer and their exact location. Some of these threats may be related to your available browsers like Google Chrome or Firefox. Combo Cleaner will help you to fix your browsers. In fact, all the browsers that have troubles can be easily fixed by Combo Cleaner antivirus. And what's more important, Combo Cleaner will help you to detect and delete more serious threats like ransomware, and as I have said, it will help you to protect your data from being damaged and infected in the future. So, enjoy Combo Cleaner. Consider upgrading to the premium version of the software to make sure that all your data is in the safe place.